how to fix ArcRaider's matchmaking failed error. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix ArcRaider's matchmaking failed error. This problem usually appears when the game cannot connect to matchmaking servers. Sometimes it's your connection, but many times it's just a temporary server issue. Just follow these steps carefully. First, check if the ArcRaider servers are actually online. Open your browser and visit the official website of ArcRaider's website or their X page. If there is a maintenance or downtime announced, then the issue is not on your side. You simply need to wait until your servers come back online. If servers are working normally, continue to the next step. Now refresh your connection, disconnect your Wi-Fi and reconnect it, or unplug and plug back your internet cable. On your PC, open Settings and then tap on Network and Internet. And then Network Troubleshooter. Let Windows scan and fix any basic connection problems automatically. Now we will refresh your network cache. Search for command prompt, right-click and tap Run as Administrator. Now type ipconfig/flushdns and then tap Enter. After it finishes, close the window and restart your PC. Now launch the game again and try matchmaking. Your ArcRaider's matchmaking should now work normally. If this video helped you, do like and subscribe. And if you have any question, leave a comment.